Hello, how are you?
Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you.
What is your name?
What is your name?
My name is John.
My name is John.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I am from Japan.
I am from Japan.
What do you do?
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
I am a teacher.
I like to read books.
I like to read books.
Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
How old are you?
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
I am 25 years old.
I have one brother.
I have one brother.
She is my sister.
She is my sister.
We live in a big city.
We live in a big city.
What time is it?
What time is it?
It is 3 o'clock.
It is 3 o'clock.
I go to school by bus.
I go to school by bus.
Do you have a car? Yes, I have a car.
Do you have a car? Yes, I have a car.
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is blue.
I love listening to music.
I love listening to music.
I am learning English.
I am learning English. Can you help me?
Can you help me? I don't understand.
I don't understand.
Where is the bathroom?
Where is the bathroom?
It is over there.
It is over there.
I want to eat lunch.
I want to eat lunch.
What is your favorite food?
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza.
I like pizza.
I am hungry.
I am hungry.
It's a beautiful day.
It's a beautiful day.
Can I have some water?
Can I have some water?
I need to buy some clothes.
I need to buy some clothes.
Where do you work?
Where do you work?
I work at a school.
I work at a school.
What's the weather like today?
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny today.
It's sunny today.
I'm going to the market.
I'm going to the market.
I don't know.
I don't know.
This is my friend, Anna.
This is my friend, Anna.
How much is this?
How much is this?
I like to watch TV.
I like to watch TV.
Can I sit here?
Can I sit here?
Please speak slowly.
Please speak slowly.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I am happy.
I am happy.
I have a pet dog.
I have a pet dog.
She likes to play outside.
She likes to play outside.
This is an apple.
This is an apple.
I have a cat.
I have a cat.
He likes to play football.
He likes to play football.
We are in the classroom.
We are in the classroom.
I drink water every day.
I drink water every day.
Can you open the door?
Can you open the door?
She is my mother.
She is my mother.
He is my best friend.
He is my best friend.
We go to the park every Sunday.
We go to the park every Sunday.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Do you like ice cream?
Do you like ice cream?
I want to buy a new phone.
I want to buy a new phone.
This book is very interesting.
This book is very interesting.
The sky is blue today.
The sky is blue today.
Let's go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach.
I like to drink tea.
I like to drink tea.
She has a red dress.
She has a red dress.
They are very happy.
They are very happy.
My house is near the school.
My house is near the school.
I need a new backpack.
I need a new backpack.